Hello, cookbook friends. This is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and you guys have been asking me to look through Vegetable Simple by Eric Ripert, and I finally got my copy from the library, and a bunch of people are waiting for it, so I gotta look through it today. And Katie, the other Cookbook Diva, actually owns a copy of this too, but she's too shy to go on video. Yet, I'm working on her. This came out in April 2021, just in time for my birthday, and I'm a vegetarian who needs to eat a wider variety of vegetables. I can't just have potatoes every night. So, Eric Ripert is going to show us how to prepare vegetables more simply. I just got to get over my hatred of peppers. I just can't. It's not that they're spicy, I just don't like the flavor. I'm working on it. He starts right off with popcorn with yuzu citrus salt. Moves on to spicy plantain chips. He didn't really spend a lot of time. There's no kitchen basics pantry. Just get in there and do it. Love it. Toasted coconut. I never thought of serving it that way. Caramelized walnuts. Wait, that's not a vegetable. Okay, whatever. Marinated olives. Yum. Hummus. Wait, is there a table of contents that I missed? Nope. Real? Oh, perhaps. No. Where's the table of This has never happened. I always can find a table of contents. Introduction. Nope. Is it in the back? Is this a Japanese style book with it's in the back? Nope, there's an index. Okay, well that's cool. Alright. Well, let's just look through. It'll be a big surprising mystery. Okay. We're on the olives. Hummus. Okay, that's chickpeas. Baba ganoush, not my favorite because it's smoky tasting. Caponata toast, nice. Tapenade, just mush up some olives with some salt and stuff. Flash cured cucumbers, that sounds fun. Wow, what's this? Crudités, very mid-century. I go burrito broth, not sure what's happening there. Gorgeous photography. Lots of close-ups. Mushroom consomme, which I've made once or twice. Close-ups of sweet pea soup. Not all mushy. Good. Here is a silky broccoli soup. Here is a close-up of tomato summer squash soup. Yum. Baby leek and potato soup. I'm skipping ahead because I can't show you the whole book. Butternut squash ginger turmeric soup. I love how they're just closing up on stuff. Here's endive blue cheese salad. I love making that and serving it at parties. It's a good finger food. Coleslaw. Now, I'm not a fan of coleslaw. When I was a kid, I called it cold slop. My mom was very offended. Grated carrot salad. Very healthy. Shaved fennel parmesan salad. Amazing. Israeli couscous salad. Snap pea salad. Close up on the peas. A beautiful roasted bell pepper salad. I probably couldn't eat it because I just don't like peppers. Zucchini linguine. Fluffy basmati rice. I'm not sure what that has to do with vegetables, but okay. Chili. Yay, I need a good vegetarian chili recipe. Is this vegetarian? Beans, salt, pepper, mushrooms, chili powder, cumin, tomatoes, cheddar cheese. Yay, it's vegetarian. You could always add beef to it if you needed to. Braised lentils. Can you put lentils in chili? Cheese polenta, yum. Spaghetti pomodoro. Black truffle tartine. Whole roasted maitake. Breakfast radish with butter and salt. Not the breakfast I would reach for, but okay. Hearts of palm with mustard vinaigrette. That sounds really good. And the only way I know how to get hearts of palm is in a can at Trader Joe's, because I don't think my other grocery store has them. I'm sure Whole Foods does. Summer roll, yum. Yukon Gold potatoes with just butter and chives. That is vegetable simple. I like that. Sauteed sweet plantains. My sisters make those a lot. Sauteed pea shoots, Hong Kong style. Here's from the cover, poached green asparagus hollandaise sauce. Here is a vegetable pistou, or pea stew. Not pea stew. Anyway, look it up. Vegetable pot au feu. A slow roasted cauliflower. Sounds amazing right about now, except I don't want to turn on my oven because it's too hot. Herbes de Provence crusted tomatoes. Good idea. baked butternut squash. We all know how to do that. Roasted carrots with harissa. Big pairing. Caramelized braised endive. Now that's something I never thought of doing. That sounds amazing. Roasty potatoes or roasty potatoes, not roasted. Curried Brussels sprouts. Yum. Spinach gratin. Chou farci. I'm not sure what that is. Chou farci. Here's frosé recipe. Don't really need a recipe for that, but okay. Spice mulled wine. Now we're in the beverages. Everything smoothie. Here's a cherry clafouti. My best friend made a cherry clafouti once. It was life-changingly delicious, and she does not remember making it for me. What? Caramelized pineapple. Sticky toffee puddings. That was Vegetable Simple. I'm still confused if there's a table of contents that I missed. I'm going to feel dumb. Maybe someone ripped it out of the library book, and I'm not just blind. I'm looking through the index. Acknowledgements. Seasonal produce guide, shopping tips, tips and guidelines. Stick it. No, okay. That was pretty cool. That's Vegetable Simple. I'm definitely going to need a copy of it. Some of the things you don't need a recipe for granita frosé. You know how to make frosé and granita, but okay. Vegetable Simple. Lots of good ideas. I think I would make the caramelized endive first of anything here. Thanks for watching. You can see more cookbook look-throughs, reviews, and previews on Cookbook Divas on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. And we have a Cookbook Divas podcast if you're interested in listening to cookbook news. Thanks for watching.